Hello, my name is Chayon Lutjari. I am the mayor of Kubua Subdistrict Administrative Organization. Today I would like to talk about my personal background as a case study from the process of studying at Stanford International University. Currently, I own the position of mayor of Kubua Subdistrict. Kubua Subdistrict consists of 15 villages. The village with a population of 10,000 people. The original center of the area from Chiang San in Kubua is our Hotisai Ling Suvarnakiri temple, which takes place to the Tharavadi period around 1,200 years ago, making in one of the olden sites in Kubua Subdistrict. And this is Natri, I on self and manager director of number one Recruitment Co. Limited. Number one recruitment brings farmlands was goes to win work in Thailand, including national for Myanmar, Laos and Cambodia. The company and this visa processing and work permit application from teen nationality. Therefore, I manage responsibility in both public and private inter-subtennial. Thank you very much.